Running to all your meetings or classes with a laptop, an iPad, a couple of notepads, and a bunch of accessories doesn't have to be a chore. There's a way to carry everything without complicating your commute. The Targus rolling backpack is the optimal solution to carry it all without aching backs and throbbing shoulders. This backpack is functional in every way and can easily go wherever you go. Unlike typical rolling luggage, the Targus rolling backpack is sleek and extremely lightweight, so it won't weigh you down. Padded shoulder straps offer comfort while toting your belongings, while a clever fold-away wheel cover keeps your clothes clean no matter what you inadvertently roll over. Quiet roller wheels and a sturdy retractable handle make it easy to transport around campus, in the office, through the airport, or wherever your commute takes you. Open it up, and you'll be amazed how much stuff you can get in here. The outer compartment is great for storing pens, a calculator, and other small items. There's also a soft-lined tablet compartment that easily fits your iPad and keeps it protected while you're on the go. The large compartment holds just about everything you need for your busy schedule, including several books, a 2-inch binder, and folders. The padded laptop sleeve can accommodate 16-inch notebooks or even a 17-inch MacBook Pro. Running to the gym after class? 2 elastic straps that can hold a change of clothes. If you're going out of town for a quick trip, rest assured it fits easily in a plane's overhead compartments and through the cramped aisles. The best of a roller and a backpack in one sleek profile. That's the Targus rolling backpack.